Don't bump the glass.
Do not attempt any of the stunts you see in this video. All stunts are performed by professionals. This video is for entertainment purposes only.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to Feed My Craving Season 2. I'm Yaku.
I'm Tristan.
You're not Tristan.
Okay, I'm Steven. Steven Anderson.
I'll say, that sounds better. Okay, guys, so you will see in Season 1, Tristan and I have done a blender challenge. So seeing that I have a new co-host, we're going to do Season 2. In other words, blender challenge number 2. So what's going to happen, we're going to have a blender on the table. I'm going to choose 10 ingredients and Rolene will choose 10 ingredients. And then she's going to hold it up, or I will hold it up, whatever the case may be. Obviously, it will be my turn first. And then I have to say yes or no. And I'm going to be blindfolded. So will she. And we have to say at least yes to minimum of 5 ingredients, Rolene.
Okay.
Are you looking forward?
Yes.
Did you sleep well this morning?
Yes, I did.
Okay, great stuff, guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Yes of no?
Yes.
Yes of no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
I'm a very good concoctionist. Okay, so now that we have our cocktails in front of us, so Rolene, what's going to happen? Obviously, I'm going to have a taste of mine. You're going to have a taste of yours. Then you're going to tell me what flavors do you taste. We can even ask each other what do you think is in the drink. And then we're going to swap just to have a taste of each other's drinks. And then the two of us will vote whose drink tastes the best. And then after that, compulsory, we're going to finish our drink.
Okay.
Okay? Whether we vomit or not, we finish the drink. Great. So
Okay.
just take your drink and just give it a lekker. In Afrikaans, they say skommel. Rolien, you are the English one. What do we say skommel in English? Klits. What?
Mix.
Mix it. Okay. Okay. Let me smell. Wow. Smells good. Wow. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna take a sip first. Oh. Ooh. Okay, Rolien, your turn. Take a big sip. Big sip.
She's smart.
How does it taste?
Like dishwashing liquid.
Like dishwashing liquid. Okay. Drink on the other side.
Lekker.
Oh my God. Hoe kan jy sê dis lekker? Oh, that's terrible. Okay, so let me finish mine, and then you can finish yours. Wait,
Yours tastes
guys,
better
this is
than
not.
mine.
That is crap. But you're gonna finish it.
It's okay.
So you have to finish it in 3 swallows.
Okay.
And you're not gonna close your nose or whatever the case may be.
I won't.
1 sip. Oh, this is lekker. Oh, I can taste turkey sauce. I taste yogurt or something.
Yes.
Mine is finished. Lekker.
Glad niet. Wat is stukken zo?
Just drink. No, maar in English, not what stukken in English. Rephrase that.
What pieces are in here?
Very. Terug, wait. And don't spill on your shirt, nee.
Oh man.
Sluk.
Kleiny.
Swallow. Open your
It's
mouth.
too thick.
It's not thick. The clock is running. That's it. Don't bump the glass. Show your face to the camera.
Ew.
Wow, this was a lucky vomit alert. Oh, that was crazy.
My nose is burning.
Your nose burning. But you have to finish the glass, nee? So, Rolene is officially the loser of the channel.
No fuck.
Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Hope that was entertaining. Rolene, greet the people.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Please go and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. See you on the next episode. Cheers.
Vanavond poep ik babbels, ik check op.